everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, I am back to share with you guys another video. I know I have been out for a while. I am really working on it to be here as much as possible. I love being here. I love sharing with you guys, and I would love to be more, definitely want to be more present, do more video for you guys, and I am working on it really hard to be here as much as possible. Yes, I am. Thank you to all my subscribers, the new ones, the old ones that has been here supporting me. I appreciate you. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Well, it's free, so why not subscribe, watch more videos from me, right? I just wanted to share with you guys how I created this unit that I am currently working. This is some Faux Locs wig that I installed myself, and I wanted to take you to how I created this unit and how you can make it. And if you want to use my method, if you have any other method that you use that you want to share, that's totally fine with me. But this is how I do it, and I just wanted to share how I do it with you guys. So if you are interested, just go ahead and stay tuned and watch. Hi guys, so this is a full lace wig that I am using to create this unit. I had this for a while. I wore the hair a few times, and now I'm just switching it. Wanted to do something different with it. So I have already started installing the Faux Locs in the back. I'm using 100% kanekalon Jamaican twist braids. This is number 33, and it's just a kinky twist hair, so it's kind of nappy. This is how the hair looks like. And you can also use just regular braiding hair. I don't always recommend that because then you don't have that. It will be too shiny and you won't have that natural look. So what I'm doing now is I part the hair in little squares, and I'm gonna put the base. This is what I call like my base. I'll braid the hair first with regular braiding hair. I'll start with braids and then I start twisting it, just the way it is going right now. So I will twist this to my desired length, probably a little past my the length of the Faux Locs. And then after the twist is done, I'll go ahead and I securely tie the ends. Now you can see just a little tiny piece of hair, and then just tie it. So once the base is done, once I finish twisting it, I take the wrapping hair, which is the kinky twist hair, and then I just start wrapping on the twist that I just made. So when you're wrapping it, just make sure you overlapping it a little bit, because you just don't want you want the wrapping to be secure and not showing any of the hair underneath. So it's pretty easy. Just continue wrapping, and once you run out of the other hair, you will get another strand and continue wrapping. But when you're adding hair, you want to overlap over the first one that is wrapped, so that it doesn't, just for security reasons as well, so it doesn't come out. So right now you will see I want to add another hair because I'm running out of the first wrapping hair. So yep, just continue wrapping, but just overlap it just a little bit. And you will wrap until your desired length. Usually I will measure with the rest of it before I stop wrapping. And then once I get the desired length, I wrap backward. As you can see, right now I'm wrapping it backward. And I will wrap backward until the hair is finished. So once you finish wrapping all the hair, I have a lighter, and I use just lightly, really lightly, just kind of, you know, burn the ends there, just where you overlap backward, just so it stays securely there, that it doesn't come out. And then you go ahead and just cut off the rest of the that base that you were using, and then you go ahead and just burn the ends again, but just lightly, so it doesn't, you know, make it like dark ends. Just want to make sure that it just securely there, that it doesn't come out, so it's not something that you will be burning until it becomes dark. So that's pretty much it, and then I continue with the same method until it's completely done. As you can see here, I wanted to share something with you guys very quick. Here I've run out of the other kinky twist hair, which has more of a kinky natural look, and then I didn't want to go get another pack of hair, so I had some braiding hair on the same color. So this is just regular kanekalon braiding hair in the same color, number 33, and I used that to wrap the last one on there. As you can see, that piece right here looks more shinier than the rest of it, but you can't really see it, so you can kind of tell, like, you can kind of see how you want your locks to look like. If you want them shiny, then you can use regular kanekalon hair. If you want them to look more natural and fuzzy kind of looking, then you can use the kinky twist hair. And that's it. Same process. You just burn the ends and you're good to go. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I use a darker color on the bottom, so that's, I think, number 1B. So the next step after all is done is that I'll boil the water, and I dip everything in the water, just because I want the locks to be softer. It just makes the locks more relaxed and softer instead of being stiff. So that's is a good option to consider. And yeah, voila, that's pretty much it. After that, I add some elastic band right there, and on each end. The wig already has some attachment comb on there, just for security. And voila, that's it. This is my baby. She wanted to say hi, want to be on my video, so this is Jackie.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Yeah. thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, right? How do you say this?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the video.
Yes. Bye.